Hello everybody, this is Archana here from Read, Write, Inspire. The question we are tackling today is, are writers born or made? This question reminds me of Stephen King's thoughts in his book on writing. Is it right to say that writers are born and not made? Let's see what Stephen King has to say about that. Stephen King talks about this pyramid, where at the base you have lots of bad writers. Then you have a good amount of competent writers, followed by a small amount of good writers. At the top, you have the geniuses. Stephen King says that you cannot turn a bad writer into a competent one, and you also cannot turn a good writer into a genius. However, he says that you can turn a competent writer into a good one with lots of hard work, dedication, and timely help. In my opinion, writing requires two fundamental skills: language and empathy. Language and the technicalities of writing fiction can be taught. And this is why we say writers are made and not born. However, empathy for an unknown or an unseen person cannot be taught. It is something that you are born with. I'm sure that everyone does have some amount of empathy, but that isn't enough to be a genius writer. This is why we say writers are born and not made. There is a famous incident from the life of Bharadiyar, the genius Tamil writer, poet, and activist. One night, his wife finds him penning a poem in tears. He is in shambles. She asks him what happened, and he tells her that he is shocked by the poverty and hunger in the world, and that he is unable to stop his tears when thinking about it. That is when she reminds him that his kids have also gone to sleep on an empty stomach that day, as there is nothing in the house. Strangely, many genius writers don't seem to care about even themselves or their family as much as they feel about their characters and what they are going through. Empathy cannot be taught. You're born with it. This is why we say writers are born and not made. Again, to reiterate, this is just my own thesis. I'd love to hear other points of view too. If you liked this video, please press like below. There are many more such videos lined up. So subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. Thank you. Bye.